Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 3-in-1 wireless charging station for all your Apple devices. This one works with all the iPhones, your Apple Watches, and AirPods, and it also includes a 5 feet of cable. Alright, so right here is our charging station. This one is offered in a few different colors. You've got sky blue, aurora white, cherry pink, deep purple, and space gray. So this one here is the sky blue. So this one right here has overcharge protection, short circuit protection, foreign body detection, over temperature protection, over voltage protection, over current protection. And here is the specs here on the back. So you get the purple, the blue, the green, and the silver, which I actually have the silver color. So this device here is compatible with all the iPhones, all LGs, Samsungs. They've got the Pixel phones. Anything that is compatible with wireless charging will work. Alright, first off right here we do have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. This one is up to 5 feet, so you have plenty of room if you don't have it close to the wall. So right here you do get the Type-C charging brick. This right here you'll just plug into the wall. This can't be broken. It is ultra thin aluminum alloy metal. It is completely rid of messy cables, so it looks pretty nice. So right here is the user guide. It's got 4 pure copper coils ready for work. Keeps your 3 devices charged safely. Different phone brands this is compatible with. This one is the silver color. It's really nice. So you got your phone right here in the front. And then the one at the top with a little circle, that's where you would put your Apple Watch. And down here at the bottom, you would put your AirPods. They do have these little sticker things. You might want to remove that. It is attention, says here, use only the charging wire and the brick with this device. So this is what it looks like plugged in. So I'm going to attach my AirPods, my watch, and my iPhone. So at the moment my iPhone is in the other room. I'm just going to use demonstration my son's phone, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put my phone. So this is my son's iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then I'm going to put my Apple Watch Ultra. I'm going to go ahead and put it here at the top. So it charges all 3 devices all at once simultaneously. You can see that my watch is being charged. Now I have my Apple iPhone, so right now you can see that all my devices are being charged at once. So if you're looking for a 3-in-1 charger for all your Apple devices, for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and your AirPods, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is a super fast charger, and it looks nice and it charges quickly.